Beautiful Changes explains that beauty can be found everywhere and emphasizes how everything changes, including nature and humans. Richard Wilbur tells us how beauty is universal. Wilbur focuses on how a person's life changes as nature does over time, using imagery, rhyme, and metaphorical language. In the first stanza, the author compares Queen Anne's lace to a lily, creating a feeling of momentum as the summer's Queen Anne's lace blows over on its side just as the lilies glide across the blue pond, indicating it changes in the seasons. In the second stanza, the use of imagery Richard Wilbur uses represents the larger change that is happening within the forest. Wilbur paints a picture of the seasons change by a chameleon's turning of the skin. Lines 7 and 8 state, "The beautiful changes as the forest is changed, by a chameleon's turning of the skin to it." These lines, Richard Wilbur shows that he feels people are influenced by the likes and dislikes of each other. In the third stanza, the author addresses a young woman holding a bouquet of roses. He indicates to her, beauty is changing and is not permanent, just like the roses will not last forever. Although the woman's youth, beauty, and life are fleeting, just like the roses, the beauty of the moment is paramount. Now we move on to the poetic devices. The rhyme of the poem is an ABA CDC pattern. The poetic devices used are alliteration, which is lace lying lilies, metaphor, which is turns dry grass to a lake, personification, which is shade of you, simile, which is Queen Anne's lace lying like lilies. And now finally, symbolism. The chameleon symbolizes change because of its changing of colors. The roses symbolize death, and then the mantis and the leaf symbolize another dimension to the forest.